folks, I'm back for another video. Yeah, I know it's been probably a month since I did a video, but I'm been busy, so here I am back. Anyhow, let me show you a few things that I've modified and changed. So anyhow, let me show you what I got. So you see the wheelchair lift is gone, and I mounted this shelf unit and the TV to the door, and got a mini computer hooked to the side of it, and so that's my new computer workstation. And you notice that the pantry is gone. It made the bus look way too small, so I removed that. Mounted the microwave right there, and then the maintenance cabinet beyond along with that, and then down here is just a storage box. It's got hinges on it, lifts up like that. I've got a light system inside there. I just needed a change, and on this part, the lift just wasn't getting used, and whenever I did use it, it would not necessarily break, but it would have issues. So I just basically unbolted it and threw it out, and then we took it to a recycle center. Another change is I put the fridge on a sliding drawer slide. Yeah. So it comes out like that, comes all the way out, and on top of that, this thing here, the front part of this thing hinges up, so the fridge doesn't have to come all the way out in order to open it. I can just do that, and you see how the shelf above it lifts up a little bit, or I can bring it all the way out if I need the door to go, the lid to go all the way up. And then below that was the old shelf that the refrigerator was mounted to or laying on, and I just put a hinge on that board there, and so now I have a little storage cabinet below there. So that drops down, and I have storage down inside of there. Not very big, but it gets some things out of the way. Let's see here. And then, oh, here we go. Another one is I added shelf units up here. I built shelf units out of some scrap wood. I may or may not redo that later. It's working well, and you know, I'm really the only one who sees it. Let's see here, what else? And you can probably hear outside, it is super windy here. We're getting gusts up to almost 50 miles an hour, so nobody is going outside. But anyhow, let's continue on. The chair, I'm gonna save that for the next video so you can come back and watch it. But I'm doing something special with the chair here, and so like I said, you're gonna have to come back and see what happens there. So anyhow, that's it for this time. I know it was a short video, but I just figured I'd get something out so you can see my pretty face. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.